Omampeni Kufuor found his way. I have repeated this on other platforms, and I will keep to that word. Omampeni Kufuor did not have it wrong. No, it's wrong to use fast track high court. No, judges living and no, wrong. I'm not saying go and be a remote controller on judges and play puppetry around using your the judges as puppeteers. No. Don't interfere.
Fantastic.
But find your way. Let the Chief Justice set a court for the adjudication of all these. Your friend is saying because Agyapong Akoso Ghana ha. Your legal vacation. Why must there be a legal vacation? And some there be a court. I be who there be no vacation. Meanwhile, say more vacation of your friends a vacation judge. No manoma. Sadly, I was here 10 feet because I Kwaku Forson UK be here, USA be here. Omo yes sure mo democracy akese e won judge ebi ni ho judge no wa bro no be ko leave amani ko leave na fofo me say na say judge fofo na ba power bebre a enkofo bebre akosuku a omo ti wa bo bi wa betima mo ma ya judge fo there should be no legal vacation in Ghana again.
Sama high court omo tenase anu partners awia
ni say bia ni e wo say ye de 24-hour economy no e chat e wo court
bibia intention
anopa judge tenase kopem no 9 ana no mienu a wo sori ana for that tenase the same court where yeah juma around the clock enti Omampeni wasema okaye e wo so na no ye no nya agye ye friend say corruption anti-corruption crusaders ne corruption for ye no ntimi nya agye da
e wo dey ho
said the wheels of justice grind slowly obua enya no kre it should run faster. The wheels of chrono was grinding up slowly.
What is in the book?
Me pacho no kre. And you be
na your mama ne twere.
Me pacho do mahama okokan no be ka kire.
No ba ojo your mama ne twere.
E ma ne fa nya adwuma ye wo chrono sembe bire omo akronfo ne kasa. Mama kasa mcho ye no kre say obi o ye chronfo ne kasa the wheels of justice grind slowly. Me am ka kire because you see obi bo chrono no wan ka kire say the wheels of chrono grind slowly. But they are fast and obi ayen.
And we're done.
Also, you're fast. We are no. You're fast.
Say, Obi from Kuma.
Okay, sir. Who did that Ghana for? You know now, Jay.
Who I want?
But you're not your mama doing a nature. Me tell me, imagine. Me tell me, tell your mama. Hey, now drink a cracker. Talk to them to the pipe. Me tell me, imagine.
I feel like I said. I
do not make tell no so no. Sabi to say 130. Say your mama tia about one papa. What be the speed every year? Sika. Ejani. This is what we know. We don't catch the wheels of justice grind slowly.
What is so Johnny?
No, the about the personal national chairman I do MPP. Omampeni yet me know now again. And the earlier you set up, the better for you, because the Ghanaian is impatient. Look, the impatience of the Ghanaian is growing by the day, and some of the things you say can even bring about infuriation. Because look, we can't sit and watch them walk about the streets of Ghana as if say omunya Convo. When we know, say even he never see kind of way. PDS, with the PDS example. Omampeni one wasem. What's your position? No. Okache say Gabby Asante Bediatuo bomb chef Akufo Addo. Omote kasa telephone so. And negotiate.
The evidence is there.
It's there. And Omampeni would you make and say the rules of justice very slowly. Where investigation then we hear more. To prosecute Gabby Asante Bediatuo and bomb chef Akufo Addo.
To understand who judge na.
Mugabi.
Listo.
Ye di jawani ye di aswawo.
To anya de.
Go mama no ye mo ECG na e ka se dum so aba ye de share no. O ye mo ECG. He should find his way.
But I see.
He should find his way and prosecute the criminals. The crimes of yesterday, he should prosecute them.
Why do you blame the president?
I blame him because the back stops with him. He accepted in his
why not the Attorney General?
No. See, you see, I am not appointed Attorney General. What do I say? And this our Attorney General no onye adwuma ne se ne hwa we can say we that come the me bo be me Yeah, well, maybe Attorney General Department or a friend saying, one the director of public prosecution. As long as that woman stays there, forget it. You prosecute you be a. Actually, say a drew and Pepensua, Sebio, what trap feedback where we are. I was say ordinary disem ebetuja. Na otchere senior or minor ejinabia etie. Titru baby a ofa free ye. De watimi aye. Baby akodru. Ne ogusu ye. Ene de odwen se obetimi ayaka ho. Nti nkuntabuo no eya de a constitution no ehye omampani se omun kontantre de man. Na se ni nyina enim no se omampani Mahama beyond state of the nation no kra no in his first term no ono kwani mampani a oye accounting to the people word for word verbatim chese bibie ni wono a oye ya anase wanya won ni hu adanse anche ne manfo anunti yamanamo se wadi mraso de kan na de to so biem se wutie speech na ode be to ho church nioma se na esi kɔ baby ofa no baby akwakodru a se me sha ase a me sha ase afi economy se nyina ye ni masem baby a oman no na ne economy akwakodru a chese obi enu se Ghana ye import based economy a bibia ye die wo man nu de ye share de ye fra ne ye bia no eye ade a sebio emu fa kese na afra manone na se wo hwe edwadie se ne ye di no wo man nu titiriw na kan ya ye se edwadifo ebreye etempenten kwa wa ban dada no abreso na odin kuntabuo ni gu akwan mu no na fe obi ahudi nti asebio ukone se tikese area adwea ehe na wanwen se adwe na emre na emom ye di nyansa ene sebi ebo adwewe na ochirechire ya ma ni besi kwan a ofa so a otimi ma sebi nindie ni nyansa se ne boni kase putting sense and knowledge putting wisdom and knowledge together to make sense no what the nindie eni nyansa ne kabo mu a ema ene adadi a obi ehu kwan a omampani de oman no akwakosi ene adwadifo a no nkakane o muntimi ntu kwan nyina no sesei no obi ahyase a oko China na Turkey na even Vietnam ni ada nkunkura omokra ne omadeba enti yesikasem entotoye wo hyase a no se dabi de onim to no de gina kyerempo ano enti ma menkɔ hwehwɛ onimdini nyansani Ato Forson anye bia no siyasi a hwehwɛ doctor ni a obo economy hu nimdie se yese enumum na obetimi akyerɛ economy hu fapema MPP for the omde bai na ye Dr. Bawumia na omai no sanse ni de Bawumia nti ye die mia papa ye die mia etimpentin kwa esu na esanse NDC for so doctor in economics nti omampeni ye se dabi Mamento Samfre Ora Ato Forson na omeforso na o make sure say the economy no atiti apansam no ye be nie enti maka na message su biem say se ukọ bia na say MPP ni eye professional bia se na maka dada no MPP no ye bia ni onimra they only know the judge ti bribe say be pia bribe akoje judgment de ene omo ya de wo ho ne se wo kosua amra no nimra de bi MPP for lawyer for ni say they can't even put sentences together. Same with MPP economist. Obia was here MPP economist bia no nese woni economy hu bibia da bi wo be konkwana ni certificate kwa Akoto e oni ni die bia fa na dwuma bia wo ye ho nanso won say the difference between an MPP economist in Dr. Bawumia and the dollar ni kodu 17 na the NDC economist in Ato Forson and the economy ni dollar no ababedru 10 abuswa 11 eno che sabi India NDC for no ewo nti se no NDC we eye oma we ni da so sabi peduasa oma ye kokromoti ayi ntimi nsan omo mopo se we dollar ni cedi me other currencies no efi wa oma peni kan se bia na de papa o se no nese dollar no ya china kwa chef yase amana ebunfumpa ana sebi wabu ban ana waje bam dabi babia dollar no se no wodina no sidi no ena ya man na nya hoden a wotimi bia bo dollar no na omu ni wiye edisa wo hwa dollar no waje ne ho gina papa because sidi no wanya hoden a ahode no kwa munya mienu wie we hwa na nsia o mampani wa paw nipa be se dumienu se o mo san ko bo Ato Forson ni ahwa dollar na nche be du wan kra I want to a cedi eti baby aye dru no o mampani guso a obo o man no hu bra se ye fie ho a another aspect eno die sebi kaneno on say me menye obi am discuss economy in respect of economic indices there be me no ma dwe me say kombe yoda enu botom because so me botom nyada ena che say kromu nyade na de be ma botom aye de ne say ubetime nya mesisika nyina siasi o Mugabe over 1 billion Ghana cedis eso de Akoto 1 bag of cement ete say kromu ntini nya ode oko Zimbabwe a Bawumia ya yebo ni din Bawumia yi oko Zimbabwe so oko bo ama omusika omudie no etime nya ahoden o free hono no na de say wo so sika o hiba ro mu na watimi de Akoto kenke baako wa bon papa ya bon no ne de no and that's why we fasting kama tumu ntini papa wa bon pa yi na saba Bawumia ya na de dollar ikodu cedi 17 enti so wo hwe kombe ya da ani botom economics a oro mahama wetimi aboa magana anya sei obia timi tomo ene ye tiriwe sebi Mugabe minim se wo anuanom nkremofo wo anuanom namfofo a sebi omo ye nkremofo a omo eye tiriwe watoni oma bebre di akoche
dollar makura bremi
na sebi o se wo hwe
dollar makura bremi bi
na wo ye tiriwe
governor of the father of West Africa
na wo ye tiriwe na wabobi
na de minia
awo bro bi se fa kocheche afiro wakasa na uka wo bro bi te se de wo alhamdulillah so mimi se mi koto mo ya me de boa menuanu mo a se bi omo yenkremofo se bi mi botomu nso ti kakra me to ne daa no na me yese me to Mugabe could you imagine say sika me de koto mo Akufo Addo apenso ene me de koto mo a minya no emohu mienu ene fa etifa fane se kanere me to mo 10 bags ena me chicha say ma to 25 bags if I should estimate it men ka bedo am to ese bi ni bi dia bebu me ho konta na so kakra me to ye no sika kro na me de to e wo dom ye friend say ka me ya ma Willie John Akufo Addo William Akufo Addo di boye ni Kweku Addo apenso no one Bawumia apenso no sa same sikana na me fa se me sa de koto amu ojo ma apenso se kanu na me na 10 bags a se metimi ato 25 bags kombe yoda enu botom Etikane no na me nsatime so nipa du so a say aso nipa du mu enum so kromba ya oda enu betum jo mahamenti obi ananka kane me nsanso me so no ene say me nsanso me so sa na me koto sugar the same thing it is a me di goose eni a kan ya say abana timia ya sise ya ma ene no sebi bidiera ba betimi ahye atare fufuo dia akobabi opebia wabra ne hu nefi ene wo bia kaya yo wo bi kura pa sebi enka ebi adi se bu na bre na ko adi mu no obi atimi to mo ni bi eno ne yefre ne say the living condition of the Ghanaian is perfect sebi I always say the word perfect there Nyankopon painting na the word perfect wo but say you share baby you free baby wa bedru here you are likely and tempted to believe say the word perfection is also for human beings like us and you know the boy mabaso if you are make education for example ora how do you onu na John Mahamadu education share nsa wo church ya bedru ba bia enne school sem akwakoduro ba bia nani anye ho our state of the nation address the fact say yentimi eliminate adia ye fe no double track system no completely which I think say achedodo ache enuti mesre say owura mahama ene na pamfo etiem a omomma get fund enye adwuma more enche adwuma omoyi because say get fund timi ye nyuma hodo akese ebie infrastructure ni mu a e bia me kire say de ma America ya America no enye bibia say America eye omo kala nti na ma ehoye anyino dabi sebi ubusa mama me obe kire wo America no ukokotena ho a you will be aboni from systems and infrastructure. You cannot put in a system without infrastructure. It is a share systems are America is because they have quality infrastructure. It is Mahama send you be means a better infrastructure or number one. On many focus on infrastructure so. Now education sector hono. Yanyiri ya hu ensi adane more etimi accommodate students no more teachers no more
get fund
support so
apology so boy juma
too much no em say e be stress o man pani mesika ne bi nko more say na be betimi eliminate double track
kwada so schools adan o makosi okuma se kwada so nya se
yes get fund eduma wo ye no se betena aka bro the abanda na yen so be se o hamu chichemu be se
more than that
but say person eliminate double track schools and the trees and all that you know yama get fund sikado do ya obetim bia ye adwuma do
so omo de omo
se ya ko omo ye omo adwuma
se Akufo Addo di
one day na say ono ye fe bibi capping
omo de
madwane ntino yade a no me take notes baby am bi be sie ma me nua ba
Dr. Aremeyaw
owura mahama nkuntabuo efa womo abo man na po adi dwirim adi sika awia yen a wodi owura le kochi womo eho de me no mampani anya adwen they tell me no mampani anya adwen ne say mampani Akufo found his way. I have repeated this on other platforms and I will keep to that word. Mampani Akufo did not have it wrong. No, wrong to use fast track high court. No, judges living and wrong. I'm not saying go and be a remote controller on judges and play puppetry around using the judges as puppeteers. No. Don't interfere.
Fantastic.
But find your way. Let the Chief Justice set a court for the adjudication of all these your friend is saying because adeɛ baako ɛkɔ so ɔdan na ha ɛni ɔmo nya adwe kura ne sɛ yɛwɔ legal vacation why must there be a legal vacation nsɛm da bia ɛwɔ court ayɛ bi ho abo da bia no but wokɔ vacation akɔyɛ meanwhile sɛ mo kɔ vacation ɛyɛ friend sɛ vacation judge ne nneɛma saa deɛ na wɔsi etwam fi yɛayi mu because ɛyɛ akwadwofoɔ suban UK bi ni hɔ USA bi ni hɔ ọmọ yẹ sọ ọmọ democracy sakẹsí ewo bi ase ebi ni hɔ judge ni wa bere na ebe ko leave amani ko leave na foforɔ bɛ sɛ na na sɛ judge foforɔ na bɛ pa bebree a nkɔfɔ bebree akɔ sukuu a ɔmo ti wa bɔ bi wa bɛ tuma ma ɔmo ayɛ judge foɔ there should be no legal vacation in Ghana again.
Sama high court ɔmo tena ase anopa tena ase awia.
ní ɛnyansa bie ni ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde 24 hour economy no ɛsɛ ɛwɔ court.
bibia ntɛm.
Anopa judge tena se kɔpem na ɔnan ana na omienu a wɔsɔre ana foforɔ bɛ tena se the same court where yɛ adwuma around the clock eti ɔmampanin wasɛm a ɔkaeɛ ɛwɔ sona no yɛne wɔ nya adwen yɛnyɛ a yɛyɛ yɛfrɛ sɛ corruption anti-corruption crusaders ne corruption ɛyifo yɛne wɔ ntumi nya adwen da sɛ the wheels of justice grind slowly oboa ɛnyɛ nokorɛ it should run faster. The wheels of chrono was grinding up slowly.
What is in the book?
Me pacho no kre. And you be
na jo mama ne twere.
Me pacho jo mahama okokan no be ka kire.
No ba ojo jo mama ne twere.
E ma ne fa nya adwuma ye wo chrono sembe bire omo akronfo ne kasa. Mama kasa mcho ye no kre se obi o ye chronfo ne kasa the wheels of justice grind slowly. Me am ka kire because you see obi bo chrono no wan ka kire say the wheels of chrono grind slowly. What they are fast and obi ayen.
And we're done.
Also, you're fast, we are. You're fast.
Say, Obi from Kuma.
Okay, sir, who did that Ghana for? You know, now, Jay.
Who I want?
But you're not your mama, you know, true. Me tell me, imagine. Me tell me, tell your mama, you ain't not drink a cracker, you talk to them to the pipe. Me tell me, imagine.
I feel like I said,
I do not make tell you, so, 7 to 1 tatia, said, oh, mamma, tia, about one papa. What be the speed every year, Sika?
A Johnny.
This is what we know. We're not catching the wheels of justice grind slowly.
What is your journey?
No, the about the president national chairman, I do MPP. I'm a penny yet to know now again. And the earlier you set up, the better for you. Because the Ghanaian is impatient. Look, the impatience of the Ghanaian, the impatience of the Ghanaian is growing by the day. And some of the things you say, can even bring about infuriation. Because look, we can't sit and watch them walk about the streets of Ghana as if say omunya kronfo. When we know, say even you never see Ghana way. PDS, with the PDS example. Omampani one wasem. What's your position? No. Okache say Gabby Asante Bediatuo chef Akufo Addo. Omote kasa telephone so. And negotiate.
The evidence is there.
It's there. It's your man. Penny, what you make can't tell me say the rules of justice very slowly. Where investigation then we hear more to prosecute Gabby Asante Bediatuo and Akufo Addo.
To one in Hoja.
Mugabe.
Please to.
You the Jawani the Aswawo.
To one
your mama no yet more ECG. Na can't say do so about you the share no. Yet more ECG. He should find his way.
But as
he should find his way and prosecute the criminals. The crimes of yesterday, he should prosecute them.
Why do you blame the president?
I blame him because the back stops with him. He accepted in his
why not the Attorney General?
No. See, you see, I am not appointed Attorney General. What must I say? And this our Attorney General no on your human send your share, we can't say we that could not make Boba blame. Yeah, well, maybe or Attorney General Department or a friend is saying one the director of public prosecution. As long as that woman stays there, forget it. You can prosecute you, Obia.
As
long as that woman now or a director in charge of public prosecution at Sinko, yeah, Obia so yeah, people, you should forget it.
Evidence now.
I don't need any evidence. The woman the better Bible said by their fruits we shall know them.
You need evidence.
Me pacho say I having me newscaster na. Ana me news anchor na me ba how the news ama me say me nkan. I came to speak my mind.
Listen, and
that's what I believe. So until such a time, that director of public prosecution, you know, the baby free honor, we should forget about it. Every time the Solomon Penny should find his way and insist on making sure, say, public accountability, because he came and accounted to the people by giving us the SONA. So he is not about the law. If he allows for people to get away with murder, he would have explained to us why people can get away with murder.
Very well.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.